In this video, I'm gonna do a quick fingerprint sensor speed test on Motorola Moto G87. I'm gonna show you how quickly the fingerprint sensor reacts to the finger and for how long we have to hold our finger to unlock the phone. I'm gonna check the lock screen, of course, at first. And in this case, if you want to unlock your phone, of course, once you scan your finger, here is where we need to hold our finger. And this is how it looks like on this phone. Of course, simple tapping doesn't work for sure. There is no way to quickly unlock the phone just like that. The sensor on this phone is optical, which is of course slower compared to the ultrasonic one. And in here we have to hold our finger for a bit of time to actually unlock it. It seems that the phone can recognize the finger quite easily. We don't have to hold our finger for too long. As you can see, I hold my finger for maybe like half a second or so, and it's enough to actually unlock the phone, which is not too bad, but definitely could be better. I'm gonna try to hold it for hold it for as little time as possible, just to see how long does it actually take. So it seems that it is around half a second or so, maybe actually below half a second. It's very hard to tell, obviously, just like that. But I would say that the sensor is fine. It's not like really fast, it's not rapid, and it definitely feels like it needs some time to unlock the phone. Maybe not to recognize the sensor, because as you can see, if I hold it for long enough, the phone still needs a bit of time to fully unlock itself to go to the home screen. So unfortunately, it's not very fast. But at the same time, I'm not sure if I can say that it is like painfully slow or something like that. Maybe I'm being like over dramatic or something, but it's just okay. I guess I can say it's okay. It's I don't know, it's decent. So yeah, definitely it could be faster. Obviously, that's always something that can be improved. But I feel like it's fine for the price that we pay for this phone. Although maybe it could be actually be a little bit faster. So that's why I'm saying it's okay or it's decent, because honestly I cannot really tell that it's very fast. But I guess it's fast enough to actually, I guess, not be bothered with it. But of course the real test comes when we have the screen locked, because over here this is when we most likely are going to keep unlocking our phone. Usually we just unlock it when we have screen off completely, not when we are on the lock screen. I don't think many people go to the lock screen first in order to then use the fingerprint sensor. So in this case, as you can see, the phone needs a little bit of time to actually wake the fingerprint sensor up. So we have to hold for an even longer time, which is nothing unusual. It's just how sensors work, and the phone, of course, requires the sensor to wake up, which takes a bit of time, and then it needs additional time to recognize the fingerprint. So, you know, it takes a bit of time. But in this case, let me actually try to use it again. I would say, I'm not sure how to actually estimate the time, because the animation is definitely slower. I mean, the phone takes more time to unlock fully the phone, and we have to hold our finger for not that long, so it's a little bit of confusing, and it's very hard for me to tell if it's actually like faster or something. But I wouldn't say it's fast. Of course, it's definitely slower than on the lock screen. Like I said, that's natural. But it seems that we have to hold our finger for maybe still below a second, I would say. You can probably measure that time better than I do right now, because you can see for example, the timeline of the video or something. But I would say it takes something close to a second. So it's still pretty okay. I would say it's pretty standard for this budget. So once again, it seems to be decent. Nothing unusual, nothing really bad, but at the same time, nothing really great. So I would say it's decent. And yeah, fortunately, the sensor doesn't have any trouble with recognizing my fingerprint, so that's a good thing. So the sensor itself seems to be pretty fine. But in the case of speed, I think it could be faster. I have similar feelings, just like with the lock screen here. So yeah, I think it's okay. Once again, it's decent, it's fine. I don't think you can really complain that much about the sensor. It seems to be recognizing the fingerprint very well. It just needs like a second or so to actually unlock the phone if we unlock it when the screen is off and the sensor is not awakened. So that's pretty much it. In one word, once again, decent. And that's it. So leave a like and subscribe.